So in order to log out of Prime Video on your smart TV, you need to first go ahead and launch the application on your television first. Once done, go ahead and access your settings. From the left-hand side of the screen, just below My Stuff option, go ahead and tap on Settings, which is the gear icon. Then scroll all the way down and then tap on Sign Out option. Tap on OK to confirm and you'll be done. You'll be returned to the main screen, then select Sign In again, enter your credentials, and log into your account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to register your TV. You may need to enter a code on Amazon's website, and once registered, start enjoying the Prime Video. So that's it with this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.